Welcome back, students. In our last video we just started with the explanation of the chapter, and now let us continue further with the second topic, which is early calculating devices. Children, yesterday when I asked you the introductory questions, I asked you one question about whether you have worked on abacus or not and whether you have seen abacus or not. So did you discussed that with your parents, whether you have worked on abacus or whether you have seen abacus or not? And if you have, then please tell them and discuss it with them. How does that work? Because in this video we'll be studying about early calculating devices, in which abacus is the first one. So let us read. Abacus. The abacus was possibly the very first mechanical device used for calculations and was invented in 3000 BCE in China. It was made of wooden frame divided into two parts called heaven and earth. Each of these parts has rods and beads, and there are 2 heaven beads and 5 earth beads. These beads are used to do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The abacus is still used. It is said to improve memory and concentration. It is also used by visually challenged students. Now children, see what are they telling you about abacus in this. They are telling you that the abacus was the very first mechanical device which was used for calculation in the earlier times. And where was it initially used? This mechanical device was initially used in China. Excuse me. And it is made up of, now let us study about the structure of abacus. What is it made of? It is made up of wooden frame, as you can see in the picture, a wooden frame, and it is divided into two parts. The first part, the upper part, is the heaven, and the lower part is called as the earth. And you can very well see in the picture as well. See, you can very well see in the picture as well that these parts are divided into rods and beads. The yellow color that you can see, these are the rods, and these red one that you can see, these are called as the beads. Now that the upper one, which is the heaven, the parts of those, the beads of those part, they are known as heaven beads, and which are 2 in number. And the lower one, which is called as the earth, the beads are called as the earth beads, and they are 5 in number. There are all types of calculations that can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division with these beads, and it is still used. And it is also said that abacus is very useful in improving